Naa na. Hello.
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 How are you?
I'm so happy.
You're so happy. Honey, did you forget about our class?
Because I have one new class.
You have one new class?
Yes,
Ah,
in this class is English.
wow. So you have a new teacher before me, before our class, honey. Yeah?
No, it's inside, not in this.
Ah, she went there in your house. Yeah?
No, she is inside, not in your house, not in my house.
She's using the Zoom too? You're using the Zoom too? You're using the laptop too?
No, she don't in the laptop.
Ah, I mean, did you have class at home? Yeah? Or,
Yes,
so your teacher
so
is a Vietnamese.
exciting.
It's a very, very exciting, honey. Why? Why is it
Yes, I'm so excited to have a new teacher.
really? Is it a Vietnamese teacher? Is it a Vietnamese teacher?
No, it's English teacher.
Ah, but I mean, is she a Vietnamese person? Yeah? Does she speak Vietnamese?
She's teacher have is Vietnamese, but
Ah,
she he um uh, he talking English with me.
she is Vietnamese, but she teaches you English. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, I see. Hmm. How about Teacher Shane's class, Teacher Ashin's class? Are you also excited to have Teacher Ashin's class?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So how are you today, Rose? How are you today?
I'm so happy.
Why are you so happy, Rose? Why are you so happy?
Hey teacher, what is teacher Pierre doing? Then he done
Uh-huh. What?
he done what she done see me.
Yeah, I think she's very busy, honey. I think she's very, very busy. Do you miss Teacher
Busy,
Pearl? Yeah.
busy.
Busy. Okay, okay. I will put it here. Okay. She is very busy. Here, ta-da! This
Um,
one. Can you see? Can you see it?
busy.
Yeah. Did you see my message? Okay. I will share my screen, okay?
Is she very busy?
Yeah. She's very, very busy nowadays.
Then she can't play with you.
Yeah, we just rarely talk to each other, honey. Like sometimes I call her, sometimes she calls me, but it's just very rare. Yeah. And I miss her. Do you miss Teacher Pearl? Do you
Miss,
miss her? Do you miss her?
miss.
Okay, here. Here, honey. Take a look.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, but she's very busy, honey. I think she's very, very busy. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, honey, teacher's now going to share the screen, okay? We are now going to continue.
Yay!
Yes, we're going to continue with our material. And after this one, we're going
Yes.
to have a new lesson. Are you ready for the new lesson? Yay! Okay, teacher's going to share the screen now. Dun, da, da, da. Okay. Can you see teacher's screen now? Can you see teacher's screen now, honey? Rose?
No.
Rose? Hello?
No.
Hello?
Yes.
Can you hear me? You are freezing, honey. You are freezing. Hold on.
Yes.
You are freezing, my dear. Okay, hold on. One.
Freezing.
Okay, can you hear me clearly? Is my voice okay? Is my voice okay, honey? Rose? Rose, can you hear me?
Huh?
Can you hear me?
Wait. Yes, but wait.
Okay. 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 Oh, yeah, you're okay now. You are okay now. You are not freezing anymore. Okay, now, honey, let's have this one. Does he have a yogurt, honey? Does he have a yogurt?
Is
My dear?
she?
Yes,
Is she?
yes, he does.
Yes, she does.
Very good. Okay, how about number one? Does she have a milk? Does she have a milk?
Yes, she does.
Very good. Next, does he have a cheese? Does he have a cheese?
No, he doesn't.
Doesn't. He has? He has what?
Butter.
Very good, smart. You're very smart, my dear my dear Rose. Okay, let's have number three. Does she have a cheese? Does she have a cheese? Honey?
Cheese? Yes.
Yes.
She
Yes,
does.
she. Very good. Yes, she does. Okay, honey, we are already done with this material. So now we are going to have the next lesson, the next material. Are you ready for unit number 4? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
I am.
Yes, I am.
Very good. Okay, now, honey. Dun, 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 dun. Honey.
Uniform thing to wear.
Very good. The things to wear. Okay. Now let's have lesson number 1. Honey, we are going to learn about, what is that one, honey? Can you read that?
Lesson 1. Clothes.
Very good.
Clothes.
Yes. Or how do you say it in Vietnamese? Is it
Quần áo.
quần áo?
Yeah.
Yes, Pearl. I mean, I called you Pearl. Rose, do you have a lot of clothes, Rose? Do you have a lot of
Yes. Then
dresses
today I
and
wear a
t-shirts?
dress.
What are you wearing right now? Today, I am wearing
Today I'm wearing a dress.
very good me. Today, I am wearing a coat and pants.
I am dress. The
Okay.
dress has many red
Here,
flowers.
honey. Here. Teacher's wearing this. And you. How about you? How about you? How about you? Okay.
Yes.
Wow! It's so nice. It's so pretty. Oh, I don't have a dress, honey, with flowers in it. I don't have a dress like that. I wish to have a dress like that, but I don't. Okay. Now, honey, let's have the vocabularies right here. Let's listen, okay? Let's listen and then say. Let's go, Rose. Are you ready?
Shirt, dress, skirt,
32.
pants,
Unit
socks,
4.
and shoes.
Things to wear. Lesson 1. Clothes. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Shirt,
1,
Shirt,
2,
dress,
2.
dress,
Very good.
3,
skirt,
What's for number 3?
skirt,
Very good.
4,
pants,
4.
pants,
4 pants.
5,
socks,
socks,
6,
shoes,
shoes.
Okay, let's read all of these words again, honey. One more time. Let's have the first one.
Shirt,
2. What's that?
dress,
Dress.
It's-
3.
skirt, pants,
4. 5.
shoes.
Okay, socks and shoes. Thank you so much, my dear Rose. Now let's move forward to the next page, honey. Dun, 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 dun. What is that? Can you It's a big circle. Okay, honey. What do you see in the picture? What do you see in the
see a black circle.
I mean
I can see t-shirt.
a green shirt. Can you say I can see
I can
a green?
see a green t-shirt.
Honey, Rose, can you do this? I can see a green t-shirt.
I can see a green t-shirt.
Very good. Honey, do you have a lot of t-shirts?
Yes.
Do you wear t-shirt?
I really like t-shirt. I really like wearing t-shirt and scarf.
Wow. At school? At school, honey?
Yes.
Oh, how
At
often?
school, this t-shirt is wait.
Okay,
At
okay.
school, this t-shirt is
What is that?
oh no. You can't read it.
What is that? Is that Vietnamese? Is it a Vietnamese word?
No. Wait. What is Wait,
Okay, it's okay.
is this?
What is that? He? You call it he?
Yes,
Ah, that is how you call a t-shirt in Vietnamese, honey. He. Right?
wait,
Okay, okay.
why?
T-shirt. It's not áo thun.
Áo thun.
Áo thun.
Yes,
Ah, but you have a uniform, honey. You have a uniform or
Đồng phục.
đồng phục, right?
yes.
Yeah, okay. Honey, how often do you wear a t-shirt? How often do you wear a shirt? Sometimes, always, or rarely? Me?
Every
Ah, every day? Every day,
Yeah.
honey? Ah. How do you say it in complete sentence? I wear t-shirt every day.
T-shirt every day.
Very good.
What? Oh, no, not this. I write.
Okay. Do you want to write? Okay, you can write it.
I write.
Okay. Write your answer.
Yes. Can you read?
Okay. I wear t-shirt every day. Ah, okay. Thank you so much for that one, honey. Now, let's move forward to the next one, my dear. Okay. How about this one? What
It's
is
a
this?
dress.
What can you see? I can see. Ah,
I can see a dress.
what's the color?
Purple.
Very good. You say, I can see a purple dress.
I can see a purple dress.
Very good. Great job, honey. How about you? When do you wear a dress, honey? When? When and where?
I mm, I wear the dress when I go to play.
Wow. Where, honey? Where? Where do you play?
In the party.
Okay. I wear a dress. Wear a dress when I play. When I play in the party. Oh, wow. Is it a birthday party, honey? Is it a birthday party?
Windy.
Honey, how often do you wear a dress? Me, I sometimes wear a dress. How about you?
I
How
often.
often? Sometimes too? Sometimes, always, or rarely?
Often.
Often. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for sharing that one, honey. But do you have a lot of dress, honey? Do you have a lot of dress?
Yeah.
Ooh. Me, honey, I like my red dress. My favorite dress is my red dress. How
My
about you?
favorite shade is purple, red, white, yellow, blue, and green.
Wow, you have a lot of dresses, huh? Honey, can you
And
wear a dress?
pink
And
too.
pink, because you love pink, right? Because you really love pink, right? You
Yeah.
love pink dress? Yes. Honey, let me ask you again, Carrot. Can you wear a dress at school?
No,
You can't. You can't wear a dress at school. Oh, I
I
see.
can wear the dress at school when the school is play.
Ah, I see, honey. Yeah, because you have uniform, right? You just wear a uniform. Yeah? Okay. Thank you so much, honey. Now, how about
Teacher, can you see my daddy?
yes, I saw your daddy. Oh, that's your daddy? Mm, your daddy
It's
is
my
tall.
scarf.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Honey, are you in your house? Is that your house? Ah,
Yes.
how about right there? Is that your house too? Or your neighbor's
Yeah.
house? Ah, is it also? Ah, it's also your house. That one.
Teacher,
Yes.
you can see this and many picture in this.
Yes.
This
Whose
is
pictures
my
are those?
house.
Ah, that one is your house.
This picture is I draw.
Ah, I see. You draw it. You say,
I
I
draw Santa Claus.
really? Can I see? Can I see? Can
My
I see your?
mommy.
Oh, it's your mommy. Hi, mommy. Hello. Your mom. Hello. Your mommy is
Hello.
very pretty.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, hello. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me, baby? Can you hear me
Yes.
now?
Yes.
Anyway, honey, the time is already over, so Teacher Shane has to say goodbye now. Meow, 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 meow.
See you next.
See you next
See
time,
you
honey.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye bye, mommy. Baby.